Hello everyone. Our today's topic is how to create a transaction code. We have various transaction code like SE11 for data dictionary, SE38 for reports, SE37 for function modules. These are the transaction code which are given by the SAP. Now if we want to create our own user defined transaction codes, so how to create a transaction code? Suppose I am moving on to transaction code SC38. Suppose this is my program zabap_com. Suppose I am displaying this program. So what I have to do, if I want to check for the output of this program, firstly I have to move on to transaction code SC38. Then I have to pass the program name, and after that I have to check for the output of this program. So rather than doing all these things, what I will do, I will create a transaction code, or I will create a shortcut for this program, and I will access this program with the help of that transaction code itself. So how to create a user defined transaction code? So we can create a user defined transaction code with the help of SC93 transaction code. SC93 is the transaction code which is used to create a transaction code. So firstly I am specifying the name of the transaction code. Suppose my name of the transaction code is zabap_com. Suppose I am creating a transaction code zabap_com for the program. I am opening the program in new session. This is my program. I am creating a transaction code for this program zabap_com. So I will click on the create button. As I am creating a customer specific transaction code, so its first name starts with Z or Y. I will click on this create button. Short description is suppose transaction code. Now I will select the second radio button, program and selection screen. I will click on OK button. Now here I have to specify the program name for which you want to create a transaction code. Suppose my name of the program is zabap_com. zabap_com. Now I am saving this transaction code. I am saving this transaction code as a local object. I am also checking these three check boxes: SAP GUI for HTML, for Java and Windows. Now I am saving this transaction code. Suppose I want to run that program, so I can directly run this program with the help of this transaction code. So suppose if I am writing /n, my name of the transaction code is zabap_com. If I am writing this, or if I am pressing enter, see, I can directly get the output of this program. So rather than going for SC38 transaction code, rather than providing the program of the name, then checking for the output of the program, I have created transaction code for the program zabap_com. If I am providing this transaction code, it will directly give me the output of the program. So this is the way by which you can create a transaction code. Thank you everyone.